The Hemmels brand values never change. Our clients want the best, and we'll continue to deliver that around the world. Design is everything. We aim to meet the personality of the customer. You sit down and discuss over a coffee, a glass of wine or a meal what really turns a customer on. We take inspiration from our clients' existing collections, handbags, car collections, their yachts, everything they've had personalised to them that really enhances who they are as a person and their personality. We've built some truly bespoke cars that we've delivered across the globe. We've built a rod for our own backs at Hemmels. People are desperate for the perfect product. Each car is an 18-month build on average, and it's important that our clients all over the world feel comfortable as we go through that build process. We've managed to get ahead of production. We've got a limited number ready to be built, delivered anywhere in the world to a bespoke combination that suits our clients. So we understand that the Hemmels journey is very different to buying a classic car off the shelf. You go on a journey with us, a very personalised journey, and that's why we've made the exciting decision to have sales face in Australia. We've put a representative on the ground to make you feel comfortable in that Hemmels commitment. As we committed to the Australian journey under the Hemmels brand, it's amazing. I'm a firm believer that when two worlds collide, it's a recipe for success. This client has decided to place an order with Hemmels, and he's the perfect Hemmels customer. We're taking inspiration from his ever-growing car collection. The 280 SL Pagoda was one of his dream cars, but he wanted it his way, and it's only when the client is 1000% happy with the rendered images that we'll really push on with his build. There's a very, very special colour combination coming from the Hemmels workshop in the UK, and we're excited to deliver that product down to Australia. Having a representative in somewhere like Australia and ambitions to have somebody in the US makes that journey easier. I love it when we get to this stage, a painted shell, a blank canvas, ready to add the elements that will be so bespoke to the Hemmels client. Specification in terms of how bespoke we're building this car doesn't just come down to exterior interior colour combinations, it comes down to air conditioning, electric windows, USB ports, making the car user friendly, and that's the true Hemmels client. You know, somebody that wants to go out, use their cars, take them on adventures. It's exciting for us. The journey doesn't stop at handover. We're there, we're on the ground. We make it as easy for the client to enjoy their Hemmels car as it should be. A client's face says a lot when you pull those covers back. That makes it all worthwhile. The Hemmels brand values won't change. You know, that perfection, that longevity in a product that make them usable, that make them bespoke to the clients. That's here to stay, and we're massively excited that that's now on the ground in Australia.